Now, to share with us her experiences, we would like to invite the person who had the distinction of being the PNC for the second and the third terms and always passionately pursued her duties. So with your round of applause, we'd like to welcome Madam Sonia Sadaf.
Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Governor Punjab, Chaudhry Muhammad Sarwar, Honorable Director General, Civil Services Academy, Honorable Secretary Establishment, Government of Pakistan, Mr. Ijaz Munir, respected faculty members, dear parents, guests, and my fellows, Assalamu alaikum. It is a matter of great pride and privilege for me to have gotten this opportunity to share the collective experience of this most memorable journey undertaken by each officer of the 42nd Specialized Training Program. I would like to begin by expressing my gratitude to you, sir, for honoring us with your presence today to address us, guide us, and inspire us. I am grateful to the administration of the Civil Services Academy for arranging this event. And I am also grateful to the faculty and officers who taught us and shared their wisdom with us. And above all, they became role models for us. Thank you so much. Honorable Governor Punjab, this beautiful journey began in April last year when we stepped into this campus. This 10-month-long training experience offered us a rich blend of academic and professional training. Academically, we explored a wide range of areas, including laws, economics, and governance paradigms. Our Muharram attachment, Secretariat attachment, revenue attachment, and country study tours afforded us an opportunity to have a holistic understanding of our anticipated roles and responsibilities. The administration of the Civil Services Academy inculcated in us the spirit of social service and qualities of perseverance. It was a rigorous training program, I must say. Hence, I congratulate my fellow probation officers for successfully completing this program. Congratulations. Honorable Sir and dear guests, you will be glad to know that this is a batch of highly diverse and competent officers who have successfully graduated from prestigious national and international institutions, including NUST, LUMS, Oxford, Cambridge, and Cornell. You would also be glad to know that 40% of our batch comprises female officers, and this is the first time in the history that 40% of the group comprises female officers. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an honor for us that we are a part of that service of the country which has a tremendous role in shaping the future of the country. It is an honor for us that we belong to that group of people and we have been trained at this prestigious institution where many of our seniors were trained who have served the country with distinction, and many of them are sitting with us today. Dear parents, we are mindful of your efforts in helping us achieve our goals. We will always need your continued support and prayers. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to step into the practical field that will be full of all kinds of challenges. Inshallah, we will come up to your expectations and will serve the country with dignity. अंधेरी रात को ये मोज़ा दिखाएंगे हम, चिराग गर न जला तो ये दिल जलाएंगे हम. हमारी कोहकनी के हैं मुख्तलिफ मयार, पहाड़ काट के रास्ते नए बनाएंगे हम. This is the passion. This is the passion with which we are leaving this academy. Ladies and gentlemen, this training is not an end. This is a new beginning. And we are eager to serve the country, serve the humanity with that kind of commitment and zeal that our Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah expected from the civil servants of Pakistan. Leaving this academy is hard, and before leaving and ending my speech, I would like to share our feelings. घड़ी ये अलविदा की है, बिछड़ना लाजमी ठहरा. घड़ी ये अलविदा की है, बिछड़ना लाजमी ठहरा. फ़ज़ाए दोस्तां को अब बदलना लाजमी ठहरा. कहीं जज्बात में जाजिब खुदा हाफिज न कह देना. कहीं जज्बात में जाजिब खुदा हाफिज न कह देना. तकाजा है ये मजलिस का संभलना लाजमी ठहरा. थैंक यू एवरीवन.